Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to Sirennet Television. Now, over the years, of course, we've filmed lots and lots of great vehicles here at Starcar, but the gang right now are working on a 2018 Ford Interceptor utility, and of course this is the last of the generation of the current model. So they're putting together a pretty straightforward package. Let's go inside right now and see what they're up to.
This picture? Yeah. It's like, that does not make any sense. I'm about to lose my mind. That's like, wait a second, how is it forever? Okay, so once we get the rear partition in, so we have to do that before we do the box. If you want to work on everything in the middle part of the partition, I gotta mount a radio.
Are you ready, Hayden?
That little wire. Or if I get that set up in there. Is that this guy? Travis, can you grab one of those base feet things?
That's the gun lock wire.
Any more grounds on that piece?
We will.
Okay.
In a few
Put it here
minutes.
for now so I don't lose it.
Same spot.
Yeah, and then the eyelets won't pop off there.
Okay.
A little hole in here and bolt the partitions.
A wire for the map light.
Get rid of that bracket.
No, because then you'll have some of that sticking past the bottom.
Yeah, like through the spade on the ground.
Okay.
So Danny, you're probably going to have this buttoned up today as far as the console goes?
Yeah.
Got it.
You're close.
More of the head sticking out the back.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. A very straightforward build from the gang over at StarCar. A variety of different equipment, of course, has been used in this 2018 Ford Interceptor utility, black in color, as you can see. Equipment from such companies as Havas, Whelen, Co3, Setina, ProGuard are all part of the mix as well. Well, you've been watching Sirennet Television. I'm Stuart, and as always, many thanks for watching. Have a great day.